Here's the earnings disclaimer. The following illustration, the information is for illustrative purposes only. As with any program, there are no guarantees that you will make money. Earned income is based on many factors, both within and outside your control, the most important of which is your level of effort applied. This is not a get rich quick nor a do nothing and get paid program. It requires effort on your part to be successful. Okay? There you go. Hello and welcome to the 9 to 5 Side Hustle channel. In this quick video, we're going to discuss how to make a quick 1,000 bucks in 48 hours with either CashApp or PayPal. Your choice on that. It's real simple to do, and here's how it works. First of all, you need to go to this website right here, $10empire.com/basic. It's $10empire.com/basic. Okay, start there. It's going to bring you to this website right here that you're looking at. And what this concept is we are going to be in the direct sales business of a digital asset, a website, a done for you website. It's all done. You just make a couple of minor tweaks, and I'll show you those here in a second. But the basic idea is this website and the reseller rights cost you 10 bucks. You're going to make 10 sales of the $10 site and then upgrade to the second tier, which is a $100 site. And then you make 10 sales at the $100 site. That gives you 1,000 bucks. You can do it in 48 hours, legit, because it's 100% commission, direct sales to you, paid to your PayPal or your Cash App. So there's no real delay other than getting your copy of the site. Okay, so that's how it works. Come to this page, read down. It explains how this all works. Watch this video. It explains in detail how this whole process works. You're going to be purchasing tier 1 and tier 2. The tier 1 site is 10. The tier 2 site is 100. All it takes is 10 sales to hit our goal, our target of 1,000. And that's explained down here. 10 sales at 10 bucks, 100 bucks. Use 100 bucks to purchase the intermediate tier 2. 10 sales at 100 bucks is 1,000 bucks. And the cool part is you already have a built-in customer base, because the 10 that bought the $10 site will be the same 10 that buys a $100 site. So easy peasy, $1,000 in your pocket. All right. So scroll down the site, keep going. When you're ready to start, click this button here. Follow these steps. The first step is you have to purchase this a trial of this software system. That's how you get the site. Then you make your payment. And then once you make the payment, this step is critical. Make sure you contact the person you made the payment to so they can push this copy of this site to your software system. Okay, that's how it works. And then step 4, join the support group. This is where you'll get the training on how to make these edits, and you'll also get information, and you can ask questions and all the other fun stuff. Okay, so once you get this site in your software program, you're going to come over here and edit these 2 buttons here, and it's real simple to do. Once you see the instructions, you're going to edit those 2, and then you're going to go up here and edit the image, the name, and the location. That's all you have to do. Save it. And then what you want to do is reach out to 10 people. You can use whatever means you want to. You can contact people you know. You can use social media, whatever you choose. But all you need basically are 10 customers. You can get as many as you want, but all you need are 10 customers to make this whole $1,000 in 48-hour process work. Okay? That's all you do. So you purchase this $10 site with the resale rights. Once you have made enough, i.e. you made your 10 sales, minimum of 10 sales, and you want to upgrade, you get back with the person that you bought this site from, and then they will send you their intermediate site, which looks like this. And the intermediate site comes with this site and then a secondary site that's used for branding. This website explains it all. But again, it's the exact same concept as before. When you're ready to buy, click this button, follow the steps, either PayPal or Cash App. Once you're done, again, get back with the person who sent you here, so they can then push this version, this intermediate version, to your software system. Okay, and then once again, you're going to edit these 2 buttons to be to you, and then you're going to go back up here and edit the picture and the name and the location again. on the intermediate site, and now you're in business. So you are then going to sell the $100 site, which is going to be this site and the second site, this site right here, that goes with it. And that's that. Your whole 1K in 48 hours on the books. Once you make 10 sales of this, which, like I mentioned before, will be your original 10 customers. They're going to be repeat customers basically for you for the purchase of your website. Because basically, once you explain to them how you made the 1,000, they're going to want to do the same thing by upgrading to the tier 2 site to make the 1,000. Easy peasy. If you have any questions, either post them below or post them in the group, and we'll work through it. All right. With that, I'm signing off. Take care.